a record of by the law is how many kilometers the dog runs. So we put our kilometers, our distances, into a computer, and it does all this fancy statistics. I don't really know exactly how it works, but at the end of the day, it gives us a traffic light. You know, red, stop, green, go, yellow, maybe slow down a bit. So if a dog gets a green light, that means that they haven't been running so much compared to the others, and they should definitely run in the next day. If they have a red light, it means that they've been working a lot and they need to get a rest. So it's one way that we keep on top of making sure that everyone runs enough and also doesn't run too much. A record of all of those distances. We know like which is our best dog from last year or our best dog from all of the years that the farm has been working. Unfortunately, both of those dogs are not here today. They're out working. But we know, for example, Mars last year was our top dog. He ran 3,000 kilometers in one season. Pretty good. And since this farm has been working, so I guess about 8 seasons, Leon has been our top dog, and he's run 15,870 kilometers over 8 years. Pretty good effort. I think that's a few times around the world, maybe.
Yeah.
So we have all of this nice information, and it's just one of the ways that we're pretty proud of, that we keep our dogs happy and healthy and working. That is good. We check all of that once a week, and we keep a record of any like lumps and bumps or eye problems, teeth problems, and we try to keep on top of that with the treatment and sort of like basically try and keep on top of every tiny little thing, so that they stay always in good health, and we have all the dogs available as much as possible, ready to work. So part of that, one really important thing that we check 3 times a week is about the girl dogs. I don't know if Anna's already mentioned that we want to keep on top of, we don't want to have puppies by accident. So we do what we call a heat check. And that means checking the girl dogs to see where they are in their heat cycle and see if there's any danger of having puppies. For each dog, like what part of their cycle they're at. And we have this now for going back 7 or 8 years, so we can really know for each dog what is normal and how it works for them. And it's just really important that we don't get puppies by accident. That's why we do this check, because we only want the dogs that we can care for and provide for. We don't want too many dogs because we couldn't give them such a good standard of care. So that's why it's so important.
You sell dogs?
Sorry?
You sell dogs?
No, we don't really. We are really careful about if we have, say, 10 older dogs this year, we'll try and have 1 litter of puppies to replace it. We never make more puppies than we really need. So therefore we don't have any need to sell them.